let's see here. Okay, we will see now how to change the alignment of the heading. Okay, we can control the horizontal positioning or alignment of your heading. Clear? So we will use here align attribute along with the align, p align. Okay, heading tag. Clear? So let's see how to set the heading. Okay, I am simply writing, I have written here center tag. If I want my heading in the center, okay, then I can write this center tag here. Let's see, I already written here center tag. Okay, so if I have to write, I will use it, just suppose h, okay, h1, okay, align, okay, is equal to left, is equal to left. Clear? So just suppose I am writing this. Okay, I want it to be in the on the left side. So let's check. Let me simply remove this also. Fine. So I am using what I am using to just change the positioning. H1, because it's a heading, so I am doing for heading only. H1 align is equal to left. Okay, what I want to align on the left side, that HTML5. So let's see, Control S, and let's refresh the browser. Now you can see the heading is coming on the left side. Okay, if you want to send it to the right side, of course, as I have done earlier, okay, what you will do, you will simply write here right. Okay, clear? You will simply write here like this. Fine. So let's save and refresh with F5 key. Now you can see this heading has come on the right side. Clear? So let's go back. Yes, same way you can put it on the center also. So it looks better in the center only. Center. Okay. So let me save this file. F5. Now it is coming in the center. Clear? So this is how the heading with the alignment, we whatever we have the we have selected the alignment, that alignment will be displayed by the web browser only. Clear? If you will select the left, it will come on the left side. If you want it on the center, it will come on the center. It will come in the center. Clear? So this is how it works. Next is how to change the paragraph alignment. Yes, of course, you can do the paragraph alignment also here. So for that we have how many types of alignments we have? Left, right, center, or justify. Clear? So in justify, what happens? It align on the both the left and right margins. Paragraph are left aligned by default. Okay, so whatever the paragraph we have written, okay, so by default they will come on the left side. So how to do it? Okay, so let's see. Just suppose I have written here, okay, P, to center the text using HTML. I'm using the center here. Okay, tag or user this CSS property, you can see, just a minute. Fine, tag or use this property, it will come on this in the center portion, because after this I am closing my center tag. Okay, I am closing my center tag here. Fine, this is how. So let's see what changes are coming in the browser. I am writing here F5. Wow. Now you see only this portion is coming in the center, because I have used the center tag before this line only. Okay, so it will come in the center portion. Fine. So just suppose if you want, like, let me remove it from here. Okay, I want, okay, just suppose I want to put it in the center. Control V. Oh my god, what happened? Control Z. Let me write here only, okay, P. So what I will do, P align, okay, P align is equal to center, center. Okay, fine. So after that what I'll do, yes, let's see. Let me check the output, and I have to remove this, of course. using the tags. I am removing this also. Okay, so let's see and refresh the browser. Now what happened, that line has come in the center only, rest or everything is in the on the left side. Clear? Because I have aligned only this paragraph. Fine. So this line of the text is centered on the page. So let's see again this portion. Just a minute. Okay, heading is here. Fine. So let me put enter here so that be align. Okay. Fine. Okay. Okay, I'm using this. Okay, let me just replace it because it is using, you know, these tags to center the text. Using HTML you can use the tag or use a CSS property using the CSS property. Let me okay, fine. After that I am starting the new paragraph. To align your text to the right side of it, you first have to wrap your text in the paragraphs text. Yes, of course. So first place a paragraph tag by the way stands for paragraph, obviously. Let me remove the extra thing so that it will look, you know, neat. Okay, text. Fine. You want to align, then end of the line. Fine. Okay, fine. Many tags are used here. So here I am using the justify tag. Okay, how to do it? P-align is equal to justify. Okay, okay, clear. So let's see the output now. Okay, what is the output finally here with us? Okay, great. So this is the, you know, this is a justified one paragraph. Okay, and this one is the, I have used here center one, and this one by default that is coming. So it is giving the space because I am using the p tag also. Okay, with the align attribute. Clear? So I hope it is clear to you how to center the how to align this heading, okay, and how to do the alignment of a paragraph. Okay, so I hope it's clear. How we can change the size of the text on your web browser using the size attribute. Okay, so let's see how to use the font size. Okay, how to use the font tag here, and its attribute is size. Okay, so let's see here. Suppose I want to change let me, it's my previous file only. Okay, it's my previous file only that I am using. Fine, just suppose I want to change its size, okay, of this line, of this paragraph, what you say. Okay, so let's see, let me see that font size. I am writing here just suppose, okay, I am using here font size. Okay, fine, I have to keep its size. So whatever the size, suppose I am writing here 5. Okay, I want its size 5. Okay, and after that what I will do, I have to, obviously I have to close my font tag. Okay, so I will close my font tag where here. Okay, fine. So I am closing my font tag here and I am closing the P tag also. Clear? So I am using, you just see here, I am using this font size 5 here. I am closing it here. Fine. So let's see what happens. Okay, if I will take the font size 5 to this line, okay, this particular line. Okay, so Control S. Fine. Let me save the file as I'm doing it for the first time. So I'll save it. ht4, okay, dot htm. Clear? And after that, all files done. So let me open my file now, this one. Okay, this file will be opened in the browser. Okay, fine. Now you can see here what is happening. The size of my line is increased. I have given font size 5. Okay, so you can change it. You can start from 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, any font size you can give. Okay, it can be seen as the text is displayed in the font sizes that you have specified in the HTML code. Clear? So this is how you can see the output here. Fine. The size has increased from the usual one. You can check, see other font size also. I didn't change their font size and you can see the difference for this. Clear? So this is how we can use font size for changing the size of the text. Clear? Next is how to change the color of the text now. Okay, yes, of course, it is by default, it is coming black here. So I want to change its color. Okay, so let's see how to do that now. Just suppose I am writing here, this is my body. Okay, here only I will define the color. Okay, text, okay, is equal to and red. Fine, and I am closing my tag. Let's see, Control S. I will refresh my browser with F5 key. Okay, so wow, so you can see, okay, your color size, color of your text is already changed. Okay, so you can change the color of the entire text. Clear? And obviously yes, of course, you can change the color of any one of the paragraph too. Clear? So next is the changing the color of the part of the text. Okay, as I was telling you. Okay, so how to do that? Let's see. Suppose I want to only change the color of this heading. Okay, only this heading I want to be changed. So for that the color attribute will work with the font tag here. Earlier what we were doing, we were using the size attribute with the font tag. Now we will use color attribute with the font tag. Okay, so let's see this one. Okay, let me simply correct this also. HTML5. Great. Okay, let me make it just for looking good. Okay, done. So I have to simply remove this. I don't want all this stuff. Okay, fine. Now I want only this color. This heading should become red. Okay, so what I will do, I will write here font. I will use font tag. Okay, along with font tag I will use color. Okay, color, this color. Please take care of the spellings of the color. You will not come in the spellings of color. Okay, because computer understands this only. Okay, so is equal to. Okay, so you can write there are many, there are many hexadecimal color codes in the hexadecimal formats for different colors. Okay, so suppose I am using here yellow. Okay, let me use yellow. So I am writing here F and 0 0. Clear? So I have to close this. Okay, let me write here also double quotes. Fine, completed. Now after that what I will do, I will simply write the bracket. Okay, simply write down the bracket here. Clear? And I have to close my font tag too. Obviously I have to close it. Okay, so what I will do, font, copy, I will paste here, center here. Okay, like this. Fine. Let me remove the BR tag. We are using somewhere BR tag. Where are we? Where? Here. Okay, fine. Okay, great. Okay, so let's see, Control S, and let's check the output. Yeah, now you can see what happened here. Only this is yellow and rest is black color. Okay, let's change it because a bit it's not visible. Okay, let's change the code. Just suppose I want it blue. Okay, so what I'll do, FF here 0. Okay, FF, Control S, and yes, of course, let's see what happens. Okay, fine. Okay, let me just simply check. Okay, Control S, and let's refresh the browser with F5 key. I'm repeating the keys. Okay, whatever the keys I am using, shortcut keys I am using. So you can see now it is coming in the blue color and quite looking good. Clear? So this is how we can use the we can change the color of a part of the text. Okay, whosoever color you want to change. Clear? Next is how to change the background color. By default it is coming, yes, it's coming white. So how to do that also, we will use here again the attribute, that is BG color attribute. Okay, BG color attribute of background. Okay, so let's see. I will use it here, body. Okay, so I will write here BG color. Okay, what color I want to give? Just suppose yellow. Okay, like this. Fine. Okay, yes, there should not be any space between BG and color. Okay, it has to be written like this only, without space, BG color together. Okay, so after this let's see, refresh the browser. Oh great, you can see the change. Clear? So this is my chapter 1, that I have told you the four practical sessions. I have given you 4 practical sessions for chapter 1, and yes, of course, we have discussed the various tags here. Okay, like just I'll explain you what we have learnt till here. We have learnt how to create and save a web page. We have learnt basic HTML tags, how to display a web page in a web browser, modifying paragraph text. We have done heading tags. We have done formatting text. Okay, so we have done few more extra tags here. Okay, so you have to just go through again and again and do practice. Okay, as you will do more practice, tags will be, they will leave a print, they will leave a just print on your head. Okay, and you don't need to learn it again. As much as you will do the practice, you will be more used to it. Okay, and you will feel like, wow, it's so easy to do. I hope you have understood all this. Chapter 1 is done. Now we will start with the another chapter. Okay, so wait for my next video too. Okay, thank you.
If you like my video, kindly like, subscribe and comment. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.